Are you looking for the perfect WordPress theme for your next website? Whether you're building a digital marketing agency site, SaaS startup landing page, travel booking platform, medical website, or logistics business site, choosing the right theme can save you hours of work. In this video, I'll show you the complete collection of premium WordPress themes available on ThemeXriver and help you find the best design for your business. Open the theme collection. First, visit the ThemeXriver WordPress Themes category page. This page includes all available WordPress themes in one place, covering multiple industries and business types. What makes ThemeXriver themes special? All ThemeXriver themes are built with modern web standards and include everything you need. Built with Elementor Page Builder, one-click demo import, 100% responsive design, and SEO-optimized code. You get fast loading speed, easy customization, regular updates, and premium customer support. This means you can import a ready-made demo website and customize it to match your brand in just a few clicks. ThemeXriver themes are perfect for freelancers, web design agencies, developers, startups, and small business owners. Why I recommend ThemeXriver? What I like most is the balance between design quality and ease of use. You get industry-specific demos and conversion-focused layouts that look amazing. It's a clean and modern design with beginner-friendly customization and excellent value for money. Instead of starting from scratch, you can launch a polished website in a fraction of the time. Ready to find the perfect WordPress theme? Go to the ThemeXriver website and select the best theme for your business today.